So first we're going to get started with the Microsoft Azure Learning Studio. Start off by logging into the platform using the ID we created earlier. And when you do, you'll be brought to the main Azure Machine Learning Studio screen. Here you'll see a variety of different capabilities on the left side. We won't discuss those now. Right now we're just going to focus on the notebook side and the dataset side. So if you click first on the dataset, you'll be able to press the plus button and upload a file from the materials section. If you go to the data directory, you'll see the Iris dataset, a very famous machine learning dataset that is used to demonstrate classification. Press on the checkbox. Here we're going to change the dataset name. You can also add a description, and that will upload the dataset into the Azure Machine Learning Studio platform, and it will be accessible by any other notebooks that you might be using on this platform. By clicking on the Open in Notebook, it'll automatically generate a notebook that can access this dataset. And here you can see it's creating first a workspace object. That workspace object will include really all of the datasets that you have within your workspace, and will import the Iris dataset, change it to a pandas data frame, and then print out that data frame. You can also access at the bottom of the dataset code that allows you to access your dataset from a notebook either in Python or R. Here we just copied over the automatically generated code. Within this, it is specifying the workspace ID and endpoints. Those in the automatically generated code for our notebook were already at the default. Finally, we're going to show you how to upload a notebook. So if you go to the notebook section, press plus, and then select on upload, you can choose a pre-configured notebook file that we have there in the materials section. Specify the language as Python 3. And then upload that notebook. You can, just like in the dataset, click on the notebook, it'll automatically launch, and you'll have access here to all of the datasets that you've uploaded to the platform, and be able to do any additional capabilities. That's about all for the introduction to the Azure Machine Learning Platform. Here you can see we can do a variety of different exercises, but we'll really get into that in a little bit.